unfortunately, I have observed many SMS systems become reactive, and I don't want to bash computerized databases, but in a real nutshell, my human observation is once you store data in a database and take it away from visual sight, it becomes reactive. You analyze it, you react, you make a decision, which is the same as it always used to be. But if you lay it out visually, the events that are happening, and you can see it and touch it, it's something tangible that helps you predict, not just rely on the analysts that are analyzing data to tell you what happened, and when it's very sophisticated, what could happen based on that analytical review of the data. But when you have humans involved in day-to-day incidents and the investigations that go on after those incidents, to get it out on the table on the old analog tools, the flip charts and the sticky notes on the wall and the blackboards or whiteboards, if people still have them hanging in their operations offices, to go back to some of those practical, easily done tools actually creates a predictive environment. And that's what I've found in our digital age, is that people are still being reactive using the digital data.
True, and I believe, this is only my opinion, that data can be ignored. Whereas if you see it, whereas if you see it and are sort of interacting with it, I'm a sticky note person, and I'm a visual person. So if you I looked around my office just now to see all my big whiteboard with all my sticky notes all over it, because I lay out everything, how everything's going to go in a visual manner. And you see that a lot even in law firms, but also medical centers, where you can have a test result and it's ignored if it's digital. Yep. But if you have the paper, or it comes up on a screen where you have to interact with it, then it's, you have to deal with it. So,
and I found people will brainstorm much more readily if they're in a boardroom with posters and sticky notes and flip charts than they will looking at a statistical spreadsheet.